Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders. Thank you for tuning in, traders from across the globe. I appreciate this. This is video 2267 coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading, basically Wednesday night through Thursday. And it's been an exciting week so far. Markets look a little bit like they don't know where they want to go. We could have a crazy... You know, if you've been following me long enough, I've been showing you many times on this board behind me, I'll say holiday reversals, watch out. Whichever way the market was going, when we get close to a holiday, it will go the other way. Those are called holiday reversals. This holiday, although the U.S. is going to be frantic with people going every which way they can possibly go but home, it's not a worldwide holiday. It's just a U.S. holiday. Markets are worldwide. They're all interconnected. So will we get a reversal on just a U.S. holiday? I don't know. We'll see what happens. So stay tuned one day at a time for that. So for anyone that's expecting that, I just don't know what will happen on the reversal side because, again, it's just a U.S. holiday. So we'll let the OMNI tell us one day at a time. And we'll see what OMNI says. So there's risk involved in trading. If you've ever traded before, you know that, right? You've been slapped before, right? Anyone who's ever done this has lost more than they've won in the past. No? Isn't that how it works? Not always, though, kids. You've seen the OMNI. It'll help us win. You just have to put your stops in, pay attention to the risk, know there's risk involved, and let's see what OMNI thinks we should do for trading on Thursday. So, OMNI says, bullish, continue, stay bullish, just stay with buying the dips in indices like Nasdaq, loves the Nasdaq, Russell, and ES. I'd rather be filled in Nasdaq over anything else, but whatever we get filled in, we'll take for trading on Thursday. The transportation average is testing support to maybe back to theory why OMNI would like to see us continue to buy dips even during a holiday week. And then, have you been paying attention? Soybeans are getting crushed. Now, come on, some of you old-timers know what I'm talking about there, right? See what I did there? So anyway, yes, the soybeans getting hammered. Looks like they'll continue. Lumber's starting to come off a little bit. A lot of the grains are coming off a little bit. Maybe we'll get more of that action. We'll see in about 2 minutes when I show you the charts. So thank you for tuning in to my YouTube Live today. That was pretty cool, right? I just decided, because my wife told me to, that we would do a YouTube Live. We'll try to do one every day at 2 p.m. Eastern. And we'll just go over what the charts look like at that moment in time. And then, of course, you can follow me back to my website for later on that evening to follow and find out what I think will happen the next day. So that will happen if I can get it right every day around 2 o'clock, YouTube Live, unless something insane comes up and I'm off my desk. So I'll see you for that. And with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, the Nasdaq Daily Bar, you've seen this chart in many videos. After the flat top formed, we had the big drop as expected. Since that drop, it seems to have gained legs at a nice channel. Look at the top and bottom of this big blue channel. Gained some legs here. What I like about Nasdaq is it got above this long red resistance line. Each time it got up there, it failed to get above, but not this time, right? See in that circle? Gets above, and you're above the 50-bar moving average. Why not go with it? OMNI wants to continue buying the dips, and that's what we'll do. If there's anything to back that theory, it would be this nice long-term channel, the transportation average, and it's still holding in the channel right here. Has not broken it. When it gets close, it goes back up. If it hits, it goes back up. And it's been hitting, but a bunch of times, you know, knock on this door enough times it might open. I'm a little afraid, but for now, because it's long term, let's say it's holding, and we'll play this one day at a time. And then, of course, look at this. Talk about getting crushed. Soybeans, daily bar, after it put that crazy top in a few weeks back. Little mini bear flag, down to another weird bear flag, and down. We should continue inside of that channel. So we will be selling rallies, but they have to be big, smart rallies, not just anything. But we will sell rallies in the soybeans as well. If you'd like to know more about those trades, join me at livewithoscar.com.